Hi everyone, it's Kelly from Kelly's Bead Boutique. So in my last video I said I was going to take a few weeks off because I'd lost my creativity, and with this whole virus thing and the quarantine I was kind of not feeling it. Well, I made it through my quarantine and the store is still closed, but I can come to the store and do a little bit of creating, so I thought that's what I would do. I know that people are sitting at home, they're tired of their spouses, they're tired of their kids, they're tired of being cooped up, and I thought, well, maybe I can do my part to help give a little bit of creativity, maybe a little bit of laughter, I don't know. I thought, well, I better get on here and try and do something. So when I had my jewelry line that I sold in like over 80 stores across Canada, one of the things that I used to say was I was kind of not embarrassed by my jewelry, because obviously it was nice, but I was like, it's so simple. But you know what? Sometimes people want simple things. You can always throw lots of bells and whistles on there, and I can throw on tons of beads and make it all, sparkly and pretty and all those crazy things, but sometimes simple is best. So that's what I'm going to do today, is I'm going to create a really simple pair of earrings for you, and I think you guys are going to like them. Now, one of the things that I do get asked a lot is, well, I really love that, but how do I buy it? Well, if you go down into the description box, which is just below the video, it's like a down arrow, or maybe if you're on a PC, it might say more, I'm not exactly sure. You just hop down there and there'll be a link that takes you directly to my website, and you can purchase it there. Now, this one's only going to be $4.99, so it's super cheap and affordable, something that everybody can do during our time of being stuck at home. So if you want to see what I'm making today, come and join me. So this pair of earrings could not get any more simple. We only have a few parts and a couple tools that we're going to use. So I have these large oval silver rings, and I have some smaller oval rings, a pair of ear wires, a pair of cute little hearts, and some jump rings. And as far as tools, we're just going to be using a pair of bent chain nose pliers and our chain nose pliers. So let's get started. So these literally can probably be made, I don't know, in about 30 seconds. So you're probably going to go, well, wow, that was quite the tutorial, Kelly. But what I want to show you is how you can take simple parts and create something super, super easy and beautiful at the same time. And these are going to be classic because they'll never go out of style. So we're going to take our jump ring and we're going to place our pliers on one side, and I'm going to have the slit up at the top. And I'm going to take my bent chain nose pliers on the other side, and I'm just going to bend apart. Now you never want to bend that way because it'll break the neck. And you don't want to overbend because it gets it a little bit hard to go back into the round circle. So I'm going to pick up one of the hearts and I'm going to place it on the ring. And I'm going to give that a little twist. So you go back until you can kind of feel it sort of click in. You just kind of have to wiggle a little bit. All right, just going to move the second one out of the way here. So now I'm going to take my ear wire and I'm just going to open that up, kind of like opening a jump ring. I'm just going to bend it towards me. And now I'm going to place on my ring and then my other ring. And then I'm going to do that up. And I'm going to finish the second one, and I'll come back and show you how these look. So there you go. There's the cutest little pair of earrings whipped up in literally about 30 seconds. Now it is hard to show you when they're laying flat. They don't always have that movement that earrings need, but when they're on, they've got that cute little oval in the middle, and so it gives it a lot of movement, and they just look really sweet on. I think you're going to really like these ones. They're going to be a classic, something you can wear with everything, and I don't think they're ever really going to go out of style. So like I said in the intro, they will be available on our website. I want to thank everybody that has placed an order while we've been closed. It has meant that I can pay my rent this month, so it's taken a lot of pressure off of me, and so I really do appreciate each and every order that we get in the store. So I want to thank you again for watching. Thank you for ordering. I hope you are all keeping well out there. Keep safe, and we will see you on the next one.